Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable SSH access on a Ubuntu machine. This is my Ubuntu desktop that is running in version 20.04. Right now we can check the SSH status. You can see the SSH service could not be found. So now we will install openssh-server on this machine. Let's confirm whether we are able to access the internet by pinging to some public DNS IPs. Let's install some pending updates in case we have any updates there. Enter the root password. Now let's give the command sudo apt install openssh-server. This will install the openssh server. So now we can see the SSH status showing active and running. Now let's give sudo fw allow SSH. This will allow the firewall rule to allow the SSH services. I just SSH into this PC4 from a remote machine. So this is IP 60.40. Let's verify the system control SSH. So here you can say the SSH connection from 192.168.4 has been accepted. So from PC4 we are getting this message and the session is opened for that user. So from this machine let's try to SSH to a different machine like PC1, like this IP 192.168.6.4. Okay, from PC4 I'm able to log into the PC1. You can see the IP address showing 6.4. Giving exit. Now I'm into the PC4 in which we enable the SSH right now, and we can see its IP is 192.168.60.40. So that's the procedure how you can enable SSH access to your Ubuntu machines.